UV-DTF stands for UV Direct to Film. It's a printing process commonly used in the production of custom hard goods. UV-DTF involves printing designs directly onto a special film using UV curable inks. The inks used in the process are designed to cure quickly when exposed to ultraviolet UV light, resulting in a fast and efficient printing process. UV-DTF printing can be applied to various surfaces, such as car windows, cups, signs, and other non-fabric items. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply your UV-DTF to a glass cup.